So we start the assembly of the plumber block. First I will do the cap here. Next part is second part is cap. You can see the dimension from the bottom. You have to give the first vertical dimension 6, right, from the reference point. So select the ISO part, select the base reference planes, change to synchronous to order, then go to home. Okay, select the sketch, select the always front view. Okay, so first dimension is, look at the, from this point you have to give the vertical dimension 6. From line command you have to give the 6, 90 degree. Okay, next horizontal line. So go to the horizontal distance is 22. So 22 you have to give 0 degree angle. Next vertical line, you can look at this one. Vertical line is 12. Vertical dimension is 12. 90 degree line. Again horizontal you have to give. So from here, center point to here, so total distance is 43. So already given the 22. Remaining line you have to give 21. So horizontal line 21, 0 degree angle. Next length you have to give the 10 mm distance, 10 mm 90 degree, and keep it like this. Okay, after this you can look at this one. You have to draw the arcs radius 36 and another arc radius 29. So use the arc by center point. You can look at the, from the starting point you have to give the arc 36. Click at the vertical 90 degree line and arc up to this line. Same as it is. From here to take the radius of 19. Look at this and check it. This is 19 radius. So take the radius 19, enter, click it and take the arc. Okay. So we don't want this reference line, initial reference line, delete that one. Okay. And write the, from the endpoint to endpoint here. Carefully write from endpoint to endpoint and trim the this line, inside this line. So this complete the sketch, close sketch. Okay, then go for extrude command. Choose select from the sketch here. Okay, select the sketch, take mark. You have to give the thickness, check the thickness. In the front view it is not given, the top view is given 36. Okay, so give the distance 36, enter. Any one side you can give. Okay, so after that you have to go for the, you can look at this one. This is the hole of diameter 10.5 at the distance of 62 is given. From the midpoint it is 31. Okay, so go for cutout, select this part. Okay, from the, take the line command from the midpoint, look at the midpoint and give the distance of 31. Draw the circle of the 10.5. Select and delete the reference line, close sketch. Full cut you have to give downwards. Okay, again you have to, look at this one, this cut portion of radius 12 at the same point. Okay, so go for this one, select the cut and select this one. Okay, take the line command directly. You can cursor, you have to keep it in the circle to show the center point. You have to give 12.5. Radius is 12.5, then diameter will be 24. Give the diameter 24. Okay, then close sketch. You'll ask the cutout portion upwards. Okay, so again you have to cut and look at this one. This radius of, from the center 43. Okay, so from the center 43 you have to give. So after this you can do this one. Before that one you have to mirror this one, the whole portion with respect to center plane. Okay, so now you can go for the cut portion, right? So whole thing you have to cut it. So that's why you need one more plane. You can see this one, the counter bore, the distance diameter will be 6 and the 3 depth of 10. Okay, first you have to finish that one. Okay, here exactly at the top of the cap you have to do. So that's why you have to make the parallel plane. Select the top plane and you have to give the distance of 36. Click it here and check it. Control F front view. You can look at this plane exactly at the center of the cap. Okay, again Control I, isometric view. Okay, use the whole command, whole, and select the plane here. Okay, then you have to open the option of the hole. So here you have to use the counter bore. Okay, initial diameter you have to give the small diameter 3 and counter bore diameter 6 and depth will be 10 and you can see the angle of this one will be 90°. Okay, exactly at the center you have to place this one. Then how to find out the center? You can same from the midpoint, take the reference here and click it. Close sketch and downwards you have to give the direction. This finish the counter bore. Okay, so control F. Okay, you can see the open this one wireframe. Open the wireframe. You can look at the diagram. The counter bore is finished at the center. Okay, right? Again, Control I. Control I. Okay, so here you have to cut portion at the radius of 43. You have to cut portion at the outside exactly. So you have to give the cut portion, take the parallel plane upwards again. Okay, so take the circle from the center, radius 43, diameter will be 86. So select it, this one, close sketch. Okay, so now in the cut portion it is cutting inside the diagram, that is it's showing error. You have to click this one side, click this one side step, click here and give it outside this one. So error will not come, it will cut outside. Click on this one, finish it. Okay, so Control T, you will get the cutout portion outside neatly. Okay, Control F will be the front view. You can look at the cut portion here and Control I. This finishes the diagram. Okay, this completes the cap of the plumber block. Cancel and give this one part. So I will show this one for cap. What is the part is given? Yeah, cap is given cast iron. You have to save this one. Right click, material table. Here you have to give the cast iron. Apply model. You have to give the file property summary in the title cap. Okay, and save this one. Save as. So anywhere in your folder you have to save. So it's